My dear children, today we are going to do some exercise of this lesson. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like it. The lesson length. First question. Netmi's middle finger is 5.8 centimeters long. Amaya's middle finger is 57 millimeters long. 57 millimeters long. Amali's middle finger is 5 centimeters and 9 millimeters long. Part 1. Write the lengths of middle fingers of Netmi, Amali and Amaya in millimeters. The length of the middle finger of Netmi is equal. The length of the middle finger. The length of the middle finger. Middle fingers of the length of the middle fingers of Netmi, Amali and Amaya in millimeters. The length of the middle fingers of Netmi is equal 5.8 centimeters. 5.8 centimeters. Now we are going to write this length in millimeters. How we write it in millimeters? What shall we do? Yes, tell me please. How we convert it to millimeters? How many millimeters are there in centimeter? Tell me please. 1 centimeter equal? Yes? Yes, 10 millimeters. Now 5.8 multiplied by 10. 1 0 is in 10. Then the decimal point moves 1 place to the right. 58 millimeters. Next, the length of the middle finger of Amaya is equal. Amaya's middle finger is 57 millimeter. Yes. It was given. No, it was given. Now we are going to write the lengths in millimeters. The length of the middle finger of Amali is equal 5 centimeter and 9 millimeters. Then 5 centimeter is equal 50 millimeters. 9 millimeters added to it. 59 millimeters. Yes, good. Now part 2. Who has the longest middle finger? Who has the longest middle finger? Yes? Who Yes, Amali has the longest middle finger. Please write the answer. Amali has the longest middle finger. Amali has the longest middle finger. Yes. 59 is greater than 59 millimeters is greater than 58 millimeters is greater than 57 millimeter. This is the explanation of it. The length of 3 straight line segments are as below. The length of the first straight line is 18 centimeters. The length of the second straight line is 195 millimeters. The length of the third straight line is 18 centimeters and 9 millimeters. Write the length of each straight line segments above in millimeters. The length of the first straight line. The length of the first straight line. First straight line. Is equal 18 centimeters. It is, yes, good. 18 multiplied by 10 is equal 180 millimeters. 180 millimeters. The length of the second straight line. Yes, good. 195 millimeters. 195 millimeters. The length of the third straight line. The length of the third straight line is equal 18 centimeters and 7 millimeters. Write this length is in millimeters. 18 centimeters is equal 180 millimeters plus 7 millimeters is equal 187 millimeters. Second question. Which is the shortest line segment? Which is the shortest line segment? The length of the first straight line segment is 180 millimeters. Yes, 180 millimeters is smaller than 187 millimeters is smaller than 195 millimeters. First straight line segment. The first straight line segment is the shortest line segment. The first straight line segment. The first straight line segment is the shortest line segment. Thus, 3 students measure the length of pencil. Their records are as follows. Gayan wrote 133 millimeters as the length. Gayan's length is equal 133 millimeters. They measure the same pencil. These are their answers. Suresh's length is Suresh's answer is yes. Suresh's answer. Gayan's answer. Suresh's answer is 13 centimeters and 3 millimeters. 13 centimeters and 3 millimeters. Then Asith's answer. Asith's answer is equal 13.3 centimeters. 13.3 centimeters. Explain with reasons that the 3 students have obtained the same measurements. Then 13 centimeters and 3 millimeters is equal. 13 centimeters is 130 millimeters and yes, 133 millimeters. 13.3 centimeters multiplied by 10 millimeters is equal 133 millimeters. Then the 3 students have obtained the same measurements. Now write hence that the 3 students have obtained the same measurements. Page 51, question number 4. The height of 3 students are given below. Height of Panjula is equal 156 centimeters. Height of Saranga is equal 1 millimeter and 53 centimeters. Height of Supun is equal 1.6 meters. Part 1. Write the height of each student in centimeters. Puta, the spellings Height. The word is height. Height of Panjula. Height of Panjula is equal 153 centimeters. Height of Saranga. Height of Saranga is equal 1 meter and 53 centimeters. Height of Supun. Height of Supun is equal 1.6 meters. Write the height of each student in centimeters. Height of Anjula is equal 150 centimeters. Height of Saranga is equal 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters. Here 53 centimeters are here. We add them. 153 centimeters. Height of Supun is equal 1.6 meters. 100 centimeters equal 1 meter. Then 100 centimeters equal 1 meter. Then 1.6 meters multiplied by 100 is equal 160 centimeters. 160 centimeters. Part 2. Who is the tallest student? Who is the tallest student? 160 is greater than 153. Then Supun is the tallest student. The tallest student is Supun. Next question. Pubuduni has a ribbon. Has a red ribbon. Length of a red ribbon. Length of a red ribbon. Is equal. Pubuduni has a red ribbon 1.5 meters long. 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters long. Yes, Puta, good. A blue ribbon. Length of a blue ribbon is equal 105 centimeters long, and a white ribbon white ribbon 1 meter and 55 centimeters long. 1 meter and 55 centimeters long. What is the color of the longest ribbon? 1.5 meters is equal 150 centimeters. The length of a white ribbon is equal 155 centimeters. Then what is the color of the longest ribbon? Yes, tell me please. Yes, white ribbon. Now write the answer. The white color ribbon is the longest ribbon. Or the longest ribbon is the white color ribbon. Write in words. How you obtain the answer? 155 centimeters is greater than 150 centimeter is greater than 105 centimeters. Three workers A, B and C were digging a drain. The depth of the drain completed by each worker is given below. A, 1.8 meters. A, 1.8 meters. B. 108 centimeters. C. Yes, 1 meter and 18 centimeters. Which worker has done the least amount of digging? Explain your answer. A was digging. A was digging. Is equal 1.8 meters. We convert these three lengths in same unit. 1.8 meter is multiplied by 100 centimeters is equal 180 centimeters. B was digging 108 centimeters. It is in centimeters. C was digging 1 meter and 18 centimeters. 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters plus 18 centimeters, 118 centimeters. Which worker has done the least amount? Yes, 108 centimeter is less than 118 centimeters is less than 180 centimeters. 108 is the least amount. Then we can write C has worker C has done the least amount. Sorry. Worker B has done the least amount. Yes, worker B has done the least amount. Another question. Minraj threw a stone a distance of 1830 centimeters. Minraj. Dinuraj threw the same stone a distance of 18.03 meters. Dinuraj. Kavishka says that Minraj threw the stone a longer distance than Dinuraj did. Do you agree with Kavishka? Give the reason. Yes, this distance is in meters. 100 centimeters equal 1 meter. We multiply by 100. The decimal point moves 2 places. 1803 centimeters. Then 1830 centimeters is greater than 1803 centimeters. Then this distance is Minraj. This distance Minraj threw a stone with a distance of 1830 centimeters. Dinuraj threw the same stone with the distance of 1803 centimeters. Then Kavishka says that Minraj threw the stone a longer distance than the Dinuraj. Do you agree with Kavishka? Yes. Please write the answer. Yes, I agree. Yes, I agree with Kavishka. Kavishka, this is the reason.